Hi guys, so as you can see I have my makeup on and this is like part 2 I guess of the Google picks out my makeup video pictures over there. So as you can see there are stripes and the only stripes that I have here are these. So yeah, I'm gonna do some stripes and it reminds me of a watermelon, so I'm probably gonna do like watermelon seeds on this side and stripes over here. Cause who cares? I'm just messing them up, messing up my makeup. So yeah, so let's get to it. So I have this Korean liner, and it's Magic Pole Eyeliner 2X. Yeah, it's just a black one, and it has. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, it has a rounded tip, so I'm gonna be making the dots for the seeds, and I'm gonna do that first. Okay, I don't see how people can do this. It just looks like I have fleas on my eyes. Maybe the people that are doing this aren't blind. Probably. So yeah, now I'm gonna do something that I did like in middle school, and I did like a line up here and then lines down there. So this is gonna be like a middle school throwback, and I'll probably do a video. I do my middle school makeup or recreating my middle school makeup. So yeah. So good in the mirror, but so bad on camera. So there's that. It looks so bad. I have glue still on me from my Coachella video. I just washed my face. Okay. Yeah. It's not good. It looks like fake eyelashes though. This is gonna be a real short video. It's also a dumb video. But normally this is what I do after my makeup anyways. I just kind of like mess it up. It's always fun. So I think I'm done. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else. I might do another video after this. It's gonna be like a good video, not like me ruining my makeup. My hair can't go in place. Ugh, my hair is all messed up too anyways. So I think that's it. I don't have anything else to do. So bye guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and have fun making fun of this video. I don't care. Do whatever. Bye.